Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Well, the big change from this morning to this afternoon and now the evening is the wind, which has picked up from the southeast and now 21 miles an hour. So we've gone from nearly calm to very breezy to almost windy outside. And we may need small craft advisories down the road. Those winds have pumped up our humidity, indicated by the dew point temperature, which is now 57. And that is 18 degrees higher than yesterday. And so a big rise in humidity. Falfurrias 37 degrees higher. It's amazing. We'll be in the 60s. So going from the 50s to the 60s between now and 11 in the morning, that means lots of cloud cover, a few sprinkles, but nothing meaningful in the rainfall department. And believe it or not, by noon on Friday, dew point temperatures almost up near 70 degrees. That's almost a summertime reading there. And plenty of juice in the atmosphere ahead of a front arriving Friday night will generate a little bit of rain in the form of thunder showers. Future clouds and rain show the clouds thickening up, a couple passing sprinkles in the morning, thick clouds in the afternoon, a few breaks out here to the west tomorrow afternoon where temperatures reach the 80s. And then on Friday morning, we'll start out cloudy and mostly cloudy, but some breaks in the overcast Friday afternoon. And this right here enables us to top 80 degrees here on Friday here in Corpus Christi, if you can believe that. So here's a look at those winds. And again, they're going to stay breezy overnight, and we're going to be 15 to 20 degrees warmer tonight than last night's low to mid 40s. So a big change there. It gets windy at noon tomorrow, sustained at 20. The gust will be 30 miles an hour. And then the winds continue to be strong out of the southeast. 21 miles an hour at 5 p.m., again with higher gust, and then even more wind on Friday ahead of a strong cold front coming Friday night. You can see it initially coming in at about 10 o'clock, and then the winds pick up after that as we move into Saturday, which is going to be a windy day. We only get one great day this weekend, and that's Sunday. Here's the big low that's going to drive that front through here. High pressure's moved off to the east. There's all the moisture on the water vapor imagery. So say goodbye to the sunshine. It moved in about 1 o'clock this afternoon. This low deepens, and that's why we're actually going to see some rain with this front before it lifts out here on Saturday evening. And still the cold air bottled up in Canada. And notice here on Monday, we still have a southwesterly mild flow aloft. So that Arctic air, it's up there, but it's not coming this way anytime soon. With that low digging south, severe weather potential in East Texas, we're just on the very edge of this marginal here in northeastern half of the coastal bend. Here's the front that'll be in here Friday night. And again, out ahead of it, plenty of moisture coming in from the Gulf. Morning lows will be in the 60s across the region. Our day planner for tomorrow, 65 at 7, 75 at noon, and 73 at 5 p.m. But lots of clouds and wind across the region and high temperatures tomorrow. In the 70s here, we reach the 80s out to the west and hold in the low 70s out on the island. And the 7-day forecast, again, 78 tomorrow, 82 on Friday with a little late day sun. Scattered thunder showers, not all areas get it, but here in town on Friday night and early Saturday, go down to 49 degrees Saturday morning and 40 on Sunday morning before clouds and wind come back again the middle of next week. Katia?
All right, Dale. Well, more people